In this video, we are going to redraw the given template using AutoCAD instead of using drawing boards, because drawing board is more complex as compared to AutoCAD. Now, before we go any further, we have to analyze the object. We've been given the spanner, which has got the radius of 30, the radius of 15, the radius of 30, which has got hexagon, and the distance of the hexagon is 30. Not only that, we've been also given the two radiuses. The first one is this one, which has 30 or 90 rather, also here 90, and the semi-ellipse, which has got the major axis of 140, and we've been told that the inscribed triangle is equilateral, which means that all sides are equal, even the internal angles are equal. Now, since we have analyzed the objects, let's now start drawing. We've been given the distance starting from this point, going this side 40, from 40 going this side to the right hand side 40. Now 40 plus 40, it's giving 80. Now let's now draw 80, the line over which has the distance of 80. Enter, escape. Then the distance from this point going up, it's 1080. So we offset, enter, 108, like this. Then the radius is given 30, the internal cycle is given 15, here it's 30, go up. Then we've given this radius, which is 30 as well. Now it's up to you to make your life complex or to make your life easy. If you want to make your life complex, you just have to do this. You draw, you add the radiuses, which is 30 plus 30, it's giving 60. You draw the circle which has the radius of 60 here, 60, enter. Also we repeat, 60, enter. Then where the circles meets, we are going to draw the circle which has now the radius of 30. 30, enter. Then we can now remove these, erase, and then we trim, enter, like this. This is too complex, but if you want to make your life very easy, you just have to do this. You just have to use the circle command. Under circle commands, there is this option which is turn radius. Use this one. Turn, and then specify the radius, which is 30. Enter. Then just trim, like so. Okay. Sorry. Let's extend this line, this, enter. We extend this one. Yes. Also okay. We extend it. Then can now offset it. Offset. Enter. The distance of 108. Enter. Then now let us draw the internal triangle. Okay, line. Then you click on Control or Shift plus, right click, then you choose the quadrant. Yes. So ensure that this command is on the opposite of orthogonal. Then you specify the angle, which is 60. So for me it has specified, but if you just want to type in, you just have to click tab, and then you specify or you write the given angle, which is 60, and then you press enter, like this. Instead of redrawing this one, let's also use let's just use the mirror command. We specify this object, enter, and then the mirror line, which is this one. Simple and straightforward. Now we are told that the same ellipse has got the major axis of 140. So we are going to divide 140 by 2. The answer is 70. Now we have to move from the center going to the left hand side by the distance of 70. Also from this point going this point 70. Okay, orthogonal on, then we offset, enter, 70, also 70. Okay, then we just have to draw now the ellipse. Let's use this one. Specify the center and the end point, and the last point is this one. That's all. As you can see, the ellipse is drawn. Now let's trim this one because it's the same ellipse. So we trim, enter, place. Okay, and then we draw now the radius of 90. So we come here and then we just have to choose this option, then we specify the starting point, and now we specify the radius, which is 90, like this. Now let's familiarize with the mirror command. We specify the object, enter, and then we specify now the mirror line. This was the reference, and this one is what has been obtained. Now let's trim, enter, trim, escape. We've been given the hexagon. Hexagon has got 6 sides. Polygon. So we indicate 6, enter, specify the center, inscribe. It was said that the size of the height of the hexagon, it's 30. That is also the diameter. So what about its radius? Its radius will be 15. 30 divided by 2, which is 15. And I've been given the angle, this angle, which is 15. This angle is going to help us to rotate this hexagon. Line, so as you can see, it is the measurements, they are starting from here going up. So, and then this is 90. So it will be 90 minus 15, it's giving 75. So here it's 75. So let's do this. Use the mirror object, enter, this, no, then we rotate it. We rotate, you come to the ribbon, or you just have to type rotate, enter, Then you specify the object, it's this one, then enter. We specify the base point, which is this one, then we rotate it or we intersect like this. Simple. Now let's explode this one. We break the joints, then we lace these. Then after that we just have to extend. We extend these, so enter, extended. Now it is just a matter of trimming. Trim like this. Erase. Then let's now deal with this part. We just have to draw the tangent which will touch the circle which has the radius of 30 and the circle which has the radius of 15. Line. So click on Control or Shift, one of these two. Control, then plus, right click, then you choose where it's written tangent or the simple. That is the short method, but you can come here. Yeah, you can come here and choose tangent. So turn, control, then here, turn, control, madam, stuck. Raise, control, turn, also control, right click, like this. Then we trim now. Trim, 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 trim. Like this has been trimmed. Okay, I'll extend it. Extend. Okay, so as you can see, it has been drawn. Now let's just indicate the center lines. So I like this, I like this, I like this, also this one. Then you go to properties. Under properties, we just have to come where it's written by layer, then you choose the line weight. Here it is specified that it's 0.25. Now it is not changed, so if you want to change that one, you just have to come here, the same procedure, line, and then we go where it's written 0.25 default 0.25. so that was default, everything has changed. Now we just want to change the center line. So do this property, like this, then color, choose it to be green, then center. Sometimes center won't reflect on this one, so where you can find it, it's you click here, others, then you go where it's written loading. Now you choose from these, one of these, you come where it's written center. After center you click on OK, then it is already applied. Cancel, then you click here, OK. You will find it on this one. Okay, now let's deal with these. They have to be yellow, like this, and they have to be 2.5 as well. 0.25 others, loading, let's use this one. OK, dash, OK, like this. Yes. And then what else? It's this one supposed to be white. White and in solid form, and this one by layer continuous, it has to be like this. It has to be continuous. This continuous line weight, line weight 0.5. so it is now done. Thank you.